To buy and sell tokens on DEX Screener, you will need to use a supported decentralized exchange and connect your wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide. Connect your wallet. Visit DEX Screener and click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Choose a compatible wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any Web3 supported wallet. Connect by following the prompts and confirming the connection. Search for a token. Use the search bar on DEX Screener to find the token you want to buy or sell. You can search by token name, symbol, or contract address. Check trading pairs. Once you've selected a token, DEX Screener will show available trading pairs. Click on a pair to view liquidity, price, and recent trades. Place a trade. For buying or selling, go to the trade interface by clicking on a token pair. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, set slippage, and review the transaction details, including fees. Confirm and execute. After reviewing, confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. Approve any additional permissions or fees required. Track your trade. After executing the trade, DEX Screener will display your transaction along with market data for tracking purposes.